This canvas has a history. A past layer of paint, a built-in texture, and now, a new beginning. Today, I'm transforming this piece with an open cup acrylic pour, but with a twist, a hidden triangle reveal that will bring out its true character. For the color palette, I'm keeping it bold yet balanced. Titanium light for contrast. Copper metallic for warmth. And yellow to bring light and vibrancy. Each flip cup is layered differently, allowing the colors to interact in unique ways. No two sections of this painting will look the same. Now, the moment of truth, flipping the cups. Even before lifting them, I can already see beautiful formations taking shape beneath the surface. And here it is, slowly lifting the cups to let the paint flow naturally. The colors stretch and expand, creating intricate cells and delicate blends. Tilting the canvas requires patience. With the built-in texture, the paint moves differently than on a smooth surface. The goal is to preserve the beautiful cells while allowing the colors to follow their own path. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks so much for your support. Some areas need a little help. Adding black along the edges and corners enhances the composition and guides the movement of the paint. But we're not done yet. There's one last surprise. Remember the triangle taped off at the start? Now it's time to remove it and reveal the hidden layer underneath. The way the red, copper, and yellow blend within this space creates a stunning contrast against the fluid background. And as the painting dries, the built-in textures begin to emerge again, adding depth, dimension, and an entirely new perspective. But where did the red come from? Let's go back for a moment. This deep red base wasn't added today, it's actually from a previous pour. After letting it dry, I built the structure around it, preserving its color and texture before continuing with this new layer. Now, as the final piece comes together, that original pour becomes part of the story, adding depth and contrast to the composition. This piece is a reminder that art is never just about the first layer. It's about evolution, transformation, and embracing the unexpected. What do you think? Should I experiment more with geometric reveals and acrylic pours? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more creative experiments in fluid art.